Hello everyone, welcome back to LKCloudTech. So we are discussing about Tricentis Tosca automation tool. So previous class we have discussed about properties, the properties identified by properties and the basic properties, which means technical standard properties we have discussed. And in this video we are going to discuss about types of properties. Okay, let me open this. Yeah, so we earlier we have discussed about the properties. This is technical properties, and now we are going to discuss about types of properties. Okay, we already have discussed about technical properties. Next we'll talk about index, image, and text. So this is our syllabus. Let us go with the syllabus. So we have completed already Tosca workspace related. We have done user login and registration, and we have run these executions, test executions, and Tosca sections we have discussed all about, and methods and object identification and identify by properties. Till here we have seen today, and this video we are going to see about these three. Okay, index, anchor, and image. We'll talk about this. Okay, very quickly and very productive way. We'll have a conversation on in this video. Okay. Okay, that's good. So this is your Tosca commander. So yeah, let me open web shop. Okay, so this is web shop. Let me log out this and we'll make it fresh. Okay, so earlier, if the there are we have seen this kind of examples. So different items in the similar names, right? How to if this identify by property, for suppose then if the name same or if the name is similar, so we used to use identify by properties using technical properties. We used to make this is unique. Okay, so whenever, if the same name, if you have difficult multiple objects or controls, if you have Tosca, will face the problem. Okay, if you have this kind of similar names, all these things. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, if the name, if the same name, if you have different multiple objects or controls, if you have it, Tosca will face the problem, or it will detect the problem. So which detection is called as I have seen earlier. Let me try to scan and then show you. So that detection is called as orange color. It will detect. Okay, that orange color I will show you now once it is open, and this will show with the item not unique message. So it's a kind of message it will give, that Tosca will identify that this is not unique. That Tosca will always try to communicate you what are the result. Okay, we'll see that. So let me go with the first basic properties only. So I'll go with this side. See this orange color I'm talking about. I was talking about this name, this color. Okay. Whenever if issue is identified by Tosca, it will show with this orange color, and also one item is not unique. The selected item is unique. One item not unique. Something like this. Okay. So this message will get. So whenever you see this message, immediately you need to respond. Okay. This example will be not unique. Okay, so Tosca, this is recognized, and it will give it to you. In technical properties, you need to check. If you want to check here, you need to go technical property first. Your first priority is to go with technical property. In this step, first you need to check with the technical property. If still the problem persists, then you need to go with other properties. Yeah, this is done. This is already gone. Okay, so then no need to move with this. Most probably it will be resolved with the technical property. If not, only then you need to go with other properties. Okay. Okay, that's what again I'm saying. we will first check with the identify by properties, which is technical. Still, if your problem persists, you need to go with advanced. Okay, advanced properties. Advanced properties, you will find the representation. Technical and basic are both are same. First initially technical properties are standard properties. This will show you. So after that, transition properties will show. If you check with it, transition property definitely will get. Okay, your problem 900% this XPath will make unique, but I don't recommend this XPath. Okay, because it has flexibility. Okay, there are chances to change the properties always, so that's why. Okay, all right. Okay, so next. So yeah, we have discussed all this till so previous class, all these things. Today we are going to just in this class, current class, we are going to discuss with identify by properties. These are all properties: anchor, image, and index. We have already discussed about these properties. These properties also called as technical property, you can say. Okay, and now the three more left: anchor, image, index. Got it? Okay, so yeah, all right. So these properties are important. So once if you are not satisfied and Tosca is not recognized still using technical properties, then you need to go with these three properties, extra three properties. Okay, okay. So we'll check. You one example we'll discuss. Okay, in our colleges, in your college or somewhere in school, you might have seen students with the same name, including surnames also sometimes. So what did we usually do to call for or recognize them? We used to call with the roll numbers, right? Similarly, Tosca also, if you have similar items names, Tosca assigns a roll number or ID. Okay, it identify the number using index. This. So, if you see this such case, okay, if you see such case, one sec. Let me close this. Yeah, here. So there are similar items you can see. These three are similar, right, with the same names. Okay, so then it will give like two of how many are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will give like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total six items are there, right? So it will give the name like 1 of 6, 2 of 6, 3 of 6, 4 of 6, 5 of 6, 6 of 6. It will give the number indication be like this. Okay, so then what you have to do is, in this case, if you scan here, so let me scan application. So let me open that. Go with add to cart, right? Advanced, identify by index. You see here, identify by index. Use the index only if you cannot choose other identification criteria to uniquely identify the control. Any matching controls are constrained by previously defined criteria before the index is applied. This increases the stability of the index. Yes, this you need to keep. So if you click on this, automatically it will be unique. Okay. So for suppose add to cart, where we have choose, yeah, this is the one. Okay, this is add to cart. Okay, this add to cart, just make, you see here index 1 of 4. You see here 1 of 4. Okay, So you see, whenever I click here, you see it now. This will be highlighted by a color, which is orange color. So whenever I click here, automatically it made unique. The selected item is unique, you can see here bottom. So that's how we can able to make unique by using an index. Okay, just you select this index 1 of 4, something like this, automatically it will be unique. Then it will be like this white color, something like this. Okay, let me try to do it by using different I'll select all together then. Okay, so yeah, let me go back, basic, go back. So now try to select this, and oh my goodness, where it is, where it has gone. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so I'll select this. Maybe I choose here. So be careful while you are scanning. Maybe it took a wrong selection. So that's why. Okay, let me cancel this. This was wrong selection. So sometimes it happens. Okay. So be careful while you are scanning. Tosca is confusing now. So let me close this. So while you are scanning, no disturbance should be there. Now again, this again. Add to cart. It could not be displayed. That is the problem now. Let me try to close this. I could not able to catch this. Do you want to save? No, 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 no. So again, I'll try to close more. Yes, close. So still it is in scan mode. That's why it is not allowing me to cancel. So let me do it again. Be careful. Don't click other places unnecessarily. So then Tosca will confuse. Yeah. See this. Okay, so I will close my Tosca commander. Better this time is not. Yeah, you see this now, it displayed after so long time. So let me remove all unnecessary selections. These are all unnecessary selections. So that's why Tosca is trying to scan all. So it will take a time. So please do not do like this. What I have done, big mistake. Okay, let me remove all. So right now try to scan this one and this one and this one. Oh no. Okay, so let me remove this and try to scan. You should try to scan on cart only. Okay, so there's three. These two are not unique. Two items are not unique, so you need to go advanced and go with the image. Okay, okay. Two items are not unique. You see, it is highlighted with the orange color. So make this index. So try to make this. Yeah. right? Yeah, done, all gone. So the now selected item is unique, right? This is how we need to select by using index. Okay, once you select index, it will be unique. That's it. This is all about just simple. It is very very simple in index. Just you can make it as an index, simple like this. And the next, go back to basic. I just want to unselect this again. Okay, so next we will talk about anchor. Okay, anchor. You see, so this is anchor. Okay, a long time ago, I would like to discuss and share with you one some simple scenario. A long time ago, for suppose, you might have migrated from one place to other place, for suppose. Okay, when you were at that moment, you were maybe fifth or sixth class, or seventh class, maybe eighth class, maybe ninth class, anything, because anything, just you are a kid kind of. So you guys, your family completely migrated from. They actually left your own village, so migrated to some other city somewhere. Okay, so in this case, now you are living in the city, but suppose you ordered something to your village. Okay, address using only your name. Okay, when the parcel arrives, people in the village may not recognize you by the name, since they don't know you are personally. Okay, if you mention your parents name, everyone in the village can immediately definitely identify your identity, your parents identity, because they know your parents. Okay, so in the same way, for suppose, if you, after so long time, okay, you were studying somewhere, some other city. Okay, you did not meet any of your relatives. All of a sudden you went some function or event, or for any family event. All of a sudden you go with your parents. Okay, so they will not individually recognize you. Okay, they don't know you, even though you are roaming across the place, but still they can't recognize you. They will just see you as a kind of, um, sense, they can't recognize. Okay, stranger, they will see you as a stranger, right? So but if you go with your parents, they'll definitely will recognize. They will call you with your parent name. Okay, they will definitely, in the family events also, some people will recognize you only with the parents names. Okay, so and so son, so and so daughter, so and so, etc., like that. Same way in Tosca also, we have a concept called identify by anchor. Okay, see this, this is at the dot here. This is a parent, this is a child. Okay, child is connected with the parent definitely, because so they are actually main. The anchor works like the parent. Okay, Tosca uses it as a reference point to correctly identify them. Okay, so always you need to give parent name here. Okay, let us try to use this. How, let's see. So we'll try to copy. We'll try to take new one. Books, let's take books. Just now I have taken books. Okay, yes, books item is not unique, you can see, I think. Yeah, I hope you can see here, item is not unique still, right? If this filter item bar uh, expand until is visible, first you need to go advance. There is a filter bar, the filtered item is there. Just just drag, see here. Whenever I drag like this, you could see the color is always flickering, which means if I can keep here, still it is showing. Once if I keep here, still showing. Once if I move, yes, it's gone, right? So then that's fine. So next, okay, just need to click on, just click to here. Okay, right? So you can see here. After that, I'll drag here. Okay, and drag again more bit. Okay, I'll keep like this. Okay, so which is your item? This is your item. Okay, your item is books, something kind, right? So from control book, orange dotted some square box, you will see that. I'll show you by like this. Let me keep anchor. I'll try to drag again a little bit. One second, it's not working. Go back again. Let me do it again. Okay, books is there, right? These are all normal properties. If you go advanced, you could see here anchor. Yeah, I got anchor, right? This item is not unique. Okay, so um, property is okay. Let me drag here and drop here. Control cannot be own anchor. Oh, okay. So that's fine. These are normal properties. That's fine. Click on this anchor. A control cannot be its own anchor. The relative algorithm is R2, and let me drag here. Let me more drag here. Yes, now you could see. So yeah, you see the parent controls now. Okay, now you just click on anchor. So you see, so this I just want to know you. I just want you to know this. See this. You can see here, from here books is actually the object, you can say, or control. So this is your item. So this item till here. So you can see here, this is a parent. Okay, the square dotted box, which is actually parent. Okay, so if you drag this and drop here, okay, here, one second, one second. So we are selecting wrong, that's why. Okay, so now select anchor. Now you got this parent. Just try to parent drop here. Yeah, you see this? The target control was successfully identified. Click the select on screen button. Select another anchor control on the screen. So now you see the green color. Huh? It's done. That's it. Okay. It becomes unique. If there is multiple children's, it doesn't matter. Only one parent will be there. Okay. Okay, so we have multiple properties. So how to sequence use these properties? Yes, we can, no problem. Okay, right, this is how we can able to make unique. Now you can see books will be looks like a white color. It made a unique property, that's it. Okay, this is how we can make it, do it, we can do it. Next, let me go back and I'll try to take just remote. I just want to go with now. I would like to we would like to see about image. Okay, we need to scan something. Let us try to scan one more time this add to cart. Okay, I think this is unique. This is also unique. This is also unique. Yeah, the fantastic. Okay, let's take which is not unique. That would be a good example. Mm, books. Electronics are not unique. See this? Electrons are not unique. So this, in this case, what we will do is go to advanced, again come here, image. Okay, you see here, this is how you can able to see. Okay, whenever you see this, so just need to, whenever you scan, if not selected your image name and you selected the identify by image, so when you click as above, when you click here, okay, uh, it won't show the add to cart, it will show the, show something, I'll show you, wait. So something like this, so which actually I just want to, I'm just talking about electronics, right? So I will click here, something like this. Now it made unique or not. If you would like to consider image identification search for your controls, you might select, you might, this might result a long duration with the scan window. Okay, okay, let me, no, I will take another one. This is not selected yet, just click on this, and maybe I'll click here. Yeah, I think this is fine. This item is not unique still, so I'll click here. Not like this. Again, I'll click something, you need to drag like this. Okay, like this. Which is, where is our item? Yeah, this is our item, electronics. Okay, so we'll do it again. So let me check, identify by image, identify by properties, identify by image. Okay, that's fine. So now click on this image again. I will take here. Why it is reversely coming? Oh, first of all, we need to select that. Okay, let's remove this. First, we need to select this item, electronics. Yes, yeah, yeah, electronics, I guess, correct. Next, um, so I need to give the reference, right? Yes, I need to give the reference. So let me do it again. What is that? Electronics. This is the one. And next reference I need to give. I'll give here reference something. Okay, done. Right now, by taking image as a reference, I will recognize our main image. Okay, you should do it properly, otherwise it won't result. It won't recognize. Let me do it again. I think this is okay. I'll do one thing. I'll not go with this. So let me go back. Oh, one sec. One sec. One sec. I'll go back. I will remove this item and I'll choose the different one. Better. This add to cart is unique. Let me do it once again. Yeah, these are all items. Let me go desktop. So now just scan again, mobile application. Okay, scan. Let us try one by one. Add to cart, I'll check. It is not unique. So I'll go to advanced, select by image. Yes. Now you select the particular item, which is this. Okay. Yeah, add to cart you selected here this. Correct. So next, I need to give the reference. Oh, done, right? Already it's gone. The item is not unique. No, yeah, no, no. I would like to consider image identification in the search for your controls. This might result long duration. Okay. Yes. Okay. So next I will do it. Remove. One sec. No, no. Select this. First, I think the if is this item second item anything. This. Okay. Next, that's fine. Next, by taking any image as a reference, I will recognize our own image. Correct. I think I can see only this, right? Not selecting properly. I don't know. Maybe some resolution is issue, I guess. Next, need to give the reference, right? Okay. All right. All right. I will drag this. Yeah, now it is unique. One second. Now I'll try to make this here. Just try again. This item with the reference place something. Okay, that's fine. Let's see this. Maybe my system resolution is not well, so that's why it is not selecting properly. So we'll see next one in this index related. This is very easy, but still it's not supporting just because the resolution completely got changed just because of scanner. Just before that scanner issue happened. So we'll discuss very clear tomorrow, next class. Okay. So this error is I will resolve this error. Okay. So blank place I will not consider, I guess, maybe. So let us, this is last time. Okay. Lastly, I'm going to select this blank place. Don't give any blank place. Just make it as one image, something kind of. Okay. This one, and reference image must be something, not this or something kind of. You can see. Yeah. No. 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 Still, okay. It's let's image only pending out of this identify properties. This is also a dead easy, but I don't know. It's maybe resolution got issue. So scanner changed everything. So again, earlier I used to get this issue. Again, I'm encountering this issue. So let's see. Okay, I'll resolve this issue upcoming next upcoming classes in session 5. Sorry, session 6. I will resolve this. Okay. Next will be pending only image, and upcoming classes will discuss about TCP. Okay. Along with the TCP, we will talk about this identify by image. We have done already this anchor and index. Okay. So next class we are going to discuss about all these things. TCP, complete TCP and identify by image. Okay, that would be good. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to end this session. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel. It will be help for someone. Okay. All right.